Namaste, my beautiful beloved friends. Welcome to our project, our heartfelt, passionate project for the school children over here that has turned out to be a community project by none other than our Sri Saraswati Foundation, led by not just me but so many others who've supported and given in their inputs, their efforts, their time, their money, and so much more. There are three most important people that I would like to thank who have made this project a possibility, and they are Pooja Khairnar, Snehal Joshi, and Rishikesh Khedkar. And Salim Bhai, who made it all possible by going on site, staying there, and constructing and bringing this school to life. And last but not the least, my heartfelt gratitude to this beautiful soul, Sameer Jathani ji, who contributed the most in raising a major amount of the total expenses required to build this school. It was he who assured that irrespective of what happens, the school construction must not stop. And it was this assurance that allowed me to take speed, engage more people on ground, and complete the project smoothly and within the time frame we had in mind. And very soon, we also had Dimple Mehta ji join us in her capacity as the president of Lions Club, Ghatkopar Galaxy, who helped us raise another major amount needed to complete this project. You may wonder, how did it all begin? An NGO was never something that we had in our mind. We came to this school premise to donate used toys and books to the school children. And that's when the most important person, that is the Master Ji, who was serving the school for the last 25 plus years, approached us and asked us if we could build a compound wall and an extra classroom for the school. They were operating out of only one classroom for a 4-grade school, and the direction came from this Master Ji, Potinde sir, who told us what the need of the children was. This was not just a school but served as a daycare as well, while the villagers went to the farms and tilled their lands, worked on the farms, so the children used to stay back. So this had to be a play place for them as well. This also now serves as a meeting place, a gathering place. There's a stage we've constructed. There are 3 classrooms instead of just one that we've created, and the compound wall is playful, like you see this little curve here for the kids to play on. This is an enclosed yet an open school for the children to enjoy, and it serves both the villagers as well as the kids. So this is not just a school, it's turned out to be a community project. We have called it Vidya Mandir, and this is all thanks to all the donors who have contributed.
This whole process began when we were speaking with Vasundhara, and Vasundhara told us about a very interesting NGO that she was thinking of forming up, and she wanted to work for children in areas where education is inaccessible. And the thoughts resonated with us, so I thought that it's a good opportunity for us also to contribute in our own capacity, and that is how we said ki we will team up, take up the project as an architectural program and then to execute it further.
So the whole idea that we have started creating is to not only just to create a school per se, but it should be a kind of a heart of the village where all the people from the vicinity should come together and try to acquire certain kind of knowledge, certain kinds of skills, and they should exchange their ideas in the meantime.
Looking at all the scenario that what village has, what it doesn't has, where they are using floors, they are using tree trunks, they are using everything which is available because they don't have a stationery with them. So the idea came in that we introduce a very big wall, which is a black wall. As an architect, we are thinking about an incrementality. So everything has to be incremental for them. They should get the different and unique spaces. The curves what we have introduced are considering that there is a lane and people should pop in. So all the curves, all the the levels has come in through the context and the people, the way they are using it. We all of us are thankful to NGO also, and all the teachers here. They gave us this complete freedom of manifesting this interesting idea through this, and we are very thrilled today the way these kids are using it.
Yeah, wonderful school, Savarpada, and of course under the leadership of Vasundhara, I'm sure the school will flourish. The children will get nourished with education, wisdom, and nothing better than so much of outdoor space and lovely mountains and valleys and trees and smelling the grass and the mud and chirping of the birds. Oh my God, what an experiential learning process this will be. This is a great blessing for the children, and these children are so fortunate to have the kind of education system. Out in the open, it reminds me about Shanti Niketan. When they are nourished with cosmic nutrition, only future leaders, champions, heroes and achievers will be born. So, my best wishes to the school, to Vasundhara, to Talware family.
So our journey with this school began almost a year ago when we visited with Kavita Raut over here, and she showed us how much effort the school teacher takes on each of these students and comes up with creative ways to teach them. So this was actually quite inspiring for us to do something more for them, and I hope that this is just the beginning of a big journey for our NGO, and hope to make many more schools like these in the future. So the designing happened, the conceptualizing happened, the dreaming happened, but when it came to execution of the project, Adesh Kankaria was the one. The whole school that you will see here is because he took the effort, he took out his time, his money, his contribution, his effort and so much more to bring this to life.
ये स्कूल दिखने को तो बहुत छोटा दिखा था, बट लगा नहीं था कि इसमें इतना टाइम जाएगा और बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे. बट यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम्स बोले तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेबर, मतलब लेबर नासिक से लेके आना ये बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट था, क्योंकि नासिक से लेबर लाने के लिए वो मतलब उनका जो है पैसे जो है वो डबल यूज़ करने के, और अपना काम NGO का था, अपने को एक एक पैसा बचाने का था, अपना एम था. मतलब ये गांव में तो पानी ही नहीं था, पानी के लिए बहुत सारा मतलब मेहनत करना पड़ा. पानी भी हमने ख़रीदा. उसके बाद लाइट जो है, लाइट यहाँ पे कभी दिन में 2 घंटा रहने की, कभी 3 घंटा रहने की, तो उसके लिए अपन ने जनरेटर नासिक से मंगाया. ये कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि अपन को लाइट और पानी के लिए पैसे देने पड़ेंगे. तो ये सब कॉन्ट्रैक्टर लोगों की मेहनत है, मैंने तो सिर्फ मॅनेजमेंट किया हुआ है, और एक अच्छा एक्सपिरियन्स आया.
ज्यावेळेस मॅडम इथं आल्या, त्यांनी शाळेला भेट दिली. भेट दिल्यानंतर त्यांना मी माझी कल्पना सांगितली का मॅडम हे जर ह्या पद्धतीने केलं असतं, त्या पद्धतीने मग त्यांनी ही इमारत उभी केली. आणि उभी केल्यानंतर आता एवढं पहिल्यापेक्षा इतकं ॲक्टिव्ह वाटतं आहे का मुलं येणी येतील आणि मनापासून व्यवस्थित अभ्यास करतील.
And we have none other than my papa, Ashok Talware, with us. He is the one who made us dream, who has given me the courage to dream big, and which is why I could take that leap of faith and say, hey, yes, let's do this. So over to Papa.
खरं म्हणजे आज या नशिबवान गावाला म्हणजे एवढ्या दुर्गम ठिकाणी आम्हाला ही शाळा करायचं संधी मिळाली, आणि जे नवीन टॅलेंट आहे त्यांनी एक वेगळ्या प्रकारचा कन्सेप्ट त्यांनी डेव्हलप केला, आणि त्या कन्सेप्टनुसार इथे करण्यात आलं. आम्हाला अगोदर थोडंसं वेगळं वाटलं होतं की शाळा म्हणजे एक छप्पर रूम असं असेल, पण हे वेगळ्याच प्रकारचं कन्सेप्ट डेव्हलप झालेला आहे. आणि आज जे बघितल्यानंतर मला खूप आनंद होतो आहे. याच्यापुढेही काही असं काही करायची संधी मिळाली तर आम्ही करूया.